Welcome to the Learn Ethical Hacking from A to Z Beginner to Expert course, where you're going to learn how to become an elite ethical hacker and how to easily hack networks, computer systems, web applications, and so much more, and how you can make money and land your first job as a hacker even if you have no prior knowledge or experience. In this practical hands-on course, our main objective is to give you the education, not just to understand what black hatters do and how they do it, but also to learn exactly how to find vulnerabilities within networks, within websites, and various web applications, as well as wireless networks, so you can learn firsthand exactly how to secure systems like a professional cybersecurity expert. Throughout the course, we blend practical work with solid theoretical training, and we take you from the basics of ethical hacking all the way through to mastery, giving you the training you need not only just to hack, but also be able to secure against any type of a hack from any black hatter out there trying to get information. We understand that theory is important to build a solid foundation. However, theory alone isn't going to get the job done, so that's why this course is packed with practical examples that you can follow step by step. It covers 6 main areas. Number 1, hacking fundamentals. In this section, you're going to get a full introduction into the basics of networking, how to set up a hacking lab, how to hide your identity, and then in section 2, you're going to learn how to hack networks. This section shows you how to test both wired and wireless networks and how to be able to start beginning your attack on that specific network. We're going to go over pre-connection attacks, post-connection attacks, and some very unique ways to get access to a specific network. And then in section 3, you're going to learn how to gain access and connect to networks. So this section builds on the previous section, showing you how to get control of any computer system that you target. So we're going to show you server-side attacks, client-side attacks, and then in section 4, this is where you're going to learn how to leverage post-exploitation. This section shifts the focus of interacting with the compromised system. You'll learn various ways to exploit these systems, how to access different files within a system, how to maintain access and make sure that you're able to get back into a system once you actually get that access and start your hacking, and then how to spy on your target, how to use different tools to be able to look at how a user is interacting with their computer, taking screenshots, different keystrokes, and so much more. And then in section 5, we're going to go over how to hack websites and web applications. And so in this section, you'll learn how to use Kali Linux, a great tool that you'll be able to use to hack into any website and various web applications. You'll learn how applications work, and then how to find different vulnerabilities within these applications for you to exploit. And then finally in section 6, you're going to learn how to make money, how to land a job, and build a brand as a hacker. So in this section, you'll learn different ways that you can make money with your skills, and also how you can build your personal brand and get your name out there as a hacker. And then how you can start a career in the cybersecurity field, and some insider tips on what certifications and the best way to land a job. So we're excited for you to join us and look forward to seeing you on the inside.